Driven by our mission to make life better, our employees produce life-transforming therapies for people across the globe. Welcome to our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Concord, North Carolina. Located roughly 20 miles northeast of Uptown Charlotte, the Lilly Concord facility is one of our newest parenteral and device assembly manufacturing sites. Empowered by state-of-the-art technology, automated robotics, and a culture of excellence fueled by highly skilled professionals, this site focuses on producing injectable medicines and the delivery systems designed to administer them to patients. Our diverse and talented teams bring expertise and passion from around the world. Whether you are just getting started in your career or are a seasoned professional, there is a place for you here to help improve lives. Our work environments are designed to maximize safety and enhance efficiency, with collaborative spaces and a variety of on-site amenities to meet professional and personal needs. At Lilly Concord, we are empowered by incredible community support from partner colleges and universities like Rowan Cabarrus Community College and UNC Charlotte. Collaborations like these enable us to grow workforce development programs and integrate as a good neighbor within our community to give where we can. At Lilly Concord, we offer an opportunity to find purpose through a career that is dedicated to improving lives.